Hey everyone. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to cancel your LinkedIn premium free trial. So the first thing that we're going to do is open the LinkedIn app and tap on your profile icon at the top left corner. Next is tap on settings. From there, go to account preferences, then scroll down until you see view purchase history and tap on that. Now here's the thing. This feature is optimized for the desktop side. So you won't be able to cancel your subscription directly through the app. Instead, you'll see instructions on how to cancel it using the desktop version. Since I don't currently have an active premium subscription or a free trial, I cannot show you the cancel option myself. But if you do have one, you'll see an option to cancel your subscription right there on the desktop side. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.